Nobis Production. Beginner production. Ball shot, it's Arian Montiliao. Beginner production pala to guys. Beginner production. Final hit. Why? Nakauna. Ay! Napalong. Ay! Ay! Toby Chavez. MM Narino. Arian. Ay! Palong. Number 1-1. Palong motor ke palong. Wow.
The guy who won the 85cc class is now leading the race here. Toby Chavez is leading the race with a very commanding lead. Napakagaling ng pasok. Out 8, pinasukan lahat ng tao. Ang hinapon ngayon ni MM Narino.
Toby Chavez on the lead.
Ang tawag nila doon,
and then MM Narino, Arian Montiliao. Sorry guys, hindi ko na kilala iba dito.
beginner is
6 laps for beginner production. Ayun no. Toby Chavez on the lead. MM Narino, Arian Montiliao. 447. Number 1-1 on 5th. Wow. La.
Tingnan mo mga bata, wala sa suot. Buwa ka mo, hindi ka mo. Kumataan. Nagdalang ka mo na siya. Malayo. Stop! Toto! Nagkakalo, simpula. Bali kanina, bali. Atras.
So leading is Toby Chavez. And then MM Narino, Arian Montiliao on 3rd.
Sudah kiri kanan, sudah pelurut.
Wow. Ayun no. MM Narino on second.
Heading for officer Arian Turuso.
Toby Chavez. MM Narino versus Arian Montiliao. Fourth na tong 1-1 no? Makahabol kaya yun? Malayo pa tayo. Uy, sumemplang. Ay, sumemplang na naman yung 1-1. Wow, unti-unti nang lumalapit. Wow. Toby Chavez versus MM Narino. Malayo ba tayo guys? Kasi 6 laps to, 6 laps. Ayun o, ala. Boys versus girls for beginners production. Lala. Wow. Toby Chavez versus MM Narino. Arian Montiliao third. Uy, iyawan doon. Aray ko! MM Narino na on the lead. Ay! Ay, may black pass, may black pass.
Nada ni Toby ang kanyang iwan position.
Boys versus girls. Ala. Black passan, Toby Chavez versus Mighty Mouse MM Narino. La. Aryan Montiliha on third. White flag, white flag, white flag, white flag, white flag, white. Ay. Ay! MM Narino na naman. Ala. Ay! Black pass na naman. Ala. Woo! Aryan Montiliha on third. Ayaw, gandang black pass, Toby.
Kaya ni Aurora po, JT Arsilas, mautang.
White flag, white flag, white flag. Ay! MM Narino na naman. Up, up, black pass. Ay, ay, ay. Same lang. Same lang.
Bulig-bulig si MM, buligin na lang, patilgaw motor.
Same lang si MM.
Ako na siya natin, tawag yung may timawag sa
Toby Chavez on the lead.
And that was it.
Up, 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 up. Oy!
Binigay sana. Hinihilangan yung chance to win. That's gonna be a learning experience for the Mighty Mouse. But still, Toby gets the win.
Toby Chavez, champion for beginner production.
All wrapped up in the beginning category glass. Anyway, guys.
Second, it's Aryan Montilihao.
100%.
Sayang na rito. Ayun, no?
Okay, so our 130. Your champions.
Fourth MM na rito. Sayang yung bakbakan nila Toby Chavez. Checkered, checkered.